My name's Tanner Rogers.
And I'm Bubba Jr.
And we're going to teach you some calculus.
Now we're going to take you to the classroom. Sometimes it's difficult to get these things shut. There we go. Now, watch your step.
Almost died.
You almost died. Alright, so what we're going to teach you today is we're going to teach you some derivatives. Now what we got here is one of these examples. Now a derivative is the slope of a tangent line. And what this here is, and this is a function of f of x. Watch your step. Don't fall. There's some logs under you. Okay, so we got 2x squared here. So what all you want to do is you want to take this little power up here. This is what we're talking about. We just want to take the power up here. We're going to times it by the coefficient up front. And that will get us 4x. Because what you do is you subtract 1 from the exponent. Now here's a more complex one right here. This is one I had to teach cousin Billy. Now here, do the same thing. Take the power and times it by the coefficient. But subtract 1 each time you go around, so that'd be 6x squared plus 6x plus 4, because then you get rid of that imaginary 1 up there. And right here is the product rule. This is where it's first, d second, plus second, d first. Here's a little example here. Now this is 2x squared, so that's our first, so that's first over here. D second, our second is this one, 3x squared, d second. Same thing we learned up here, 2 times the 3 minus the 2, 6x. Do the same thing over here, but then the opposite order, and you get plus 3x squared plus 4x.
Alright, I'm going to teach you how to do some antiderivatives. Whenever you see this right here, basically means just do an antiderivative right away. That's all you got to do. Antiderivative, you got to find out how you got from here to here. Basically with that, you got to find out, add 1 exponent to here, and then that's going to be a 2. A 1 from a 2 times what gets you 4, and that's 2. 2x squared is the antiderivative of 4x. And now we got a bigger part right here, more complicated version. We're going to take it piece by piece right here. Move the exponent up 1. That's going to be cubed. So 3 times what gets us 6? 3 times 2. So that's the first part. Add an extra exponent up here. It's going to be a squared. 2 times what gets us 6? 3. 3x squared is our second piece. Our last piece over here, 4x. So you can put an exponent over here too. And then it's going to be 4x. Yeah. Now I'm going to teach you the quotient rule. Quotient rule, we have a little simple one right here. 2x squared over x. To find the derivative of that one, remember we're going back to derivatives now. To find the derivative of a fraction, you're going to use the quotient rule. Low d high minus high d low over low low. X is the low, d high, 2x squared goes to 4x, minus high, 2x squared, minus derivative of the low, which is 1 over low low, x squared. There you go. That's antiderivatives and quotient rule in a nutshell. Alright, I want to thank you for joining us today on our lesson on derivatives, antiderivatives, the product rule, and the quotient rule. Y'all have a good one.